Okay, we're going to, oh, I don't know what we're going to. We brought some batteries up here, and we're going to connect it to this, what is this, inverter?
Yeah, it's a PowMr 10,000 watt. That blew up. It was working real good. We'd had it for, I guess, about a month. And one day it just sounded like a bunch of fireworks. So they did finally send a new one. And it's been working fine for about a year. But I took this one apart, and just all kind of stuff on the circuit board was blown. So I do electronics, so everything I seen in there that was blown, I got replacement MOSFETs, little resistors and stuff. So I started taking everything off this circuit board to replace the components. I'm extremely doubtful it's going to work, because these little traces, some of them, they look burnt, but they're smaller than a hair and I can't see good, so I don't know if they're blown into or still connected. I did what I could. So we're going to at least hook this battery up and see if it gives us a fireworks show again, or if it works. But this battery, this is one of them that I built. It's just got 16 cells in it, the lithium phosphate. And then this is a 5 amp active balancer, 16 channel. And then I added 2 more 8s. So it's balancing at 10 amps per cell. And I've used this battery for a year and a half, and this battery's always been absolutely fine.
Yeah, we built this box.
Put roller wheels on it, got my terminals on the back, but I'm wiring up a breaker I'm going to put on the back on the hot just for safety, because I don't know what it's going to do when we hook it to this.
It might go kapooey.
Yes, it might.
I'm hoping and praying that it works.
That would be great.
And it keeps working.
Because then we don't have to buy another one, and you know, it's going to cost you $1,700 to buy one. And we sure would like to save that money, if possible. And this should be, I think the positive's on that side. Nope. It's backwards. No, the positive is on that side. I had it on AC instead of DC. So we're at 53 volts, hot terminals on that side. So, I'm just going to bend that like this. I'm going to bolt it right there. I'm going to get my gun and a tip. I'm finding it.
Well, that wasn't too bad.
No, so that's our breaker. Now, on this other side, I brought these cables. And I'm gonna have to cut one of the ends off. Really don't want to do that. Let's see.
Okay, what are you doing here?
I'm just hooding, I'm adding this hot cable that will go to the inverter on the output side of this breaker.
Well, your head's in the way.
Well, I gotta look and see if okay.
So what you put on there is actually going to protect the batteries.
Yeah, I mean, say this thing, I kick it on and it shorts, it'll kick the breaker. Or it should. So, we'll see. And this, barely going to be long enough, but we'll have to make do. This is our negative cable. There's our two cables. Not negative. Roll this over a little closer. And so here, okay, negative is this terminal. So I gotta see if I got a socket. I did that. Are you believing that? That don't ever happen.
No, we have to hunt for the next 30 minutes to find what we're
First
looking
tool
for.
I picked up. Okay, negative, battery negative.
It'd be nice once we get everything up here that we could get organized, but I think that's a snowball's chance there too.
And then this is our positive. Which comes out of our breaker on the battery. Okay. Now, when I hit this button,
Oh no, I'm moving.
well, you may want to just go ahead and back up. It may go kapow!
And I hope
Second I hit that.
I hope I don't drop the camera.
Well, don't drop the camera. You're over there. You're over
Well,
there.
that might scare me.
It's a good sign. It didn't pop. And I turned it on. And turned on.
Well, thank you, Jesus.
Now, it's still going through its testing.
Well, at least it's on.
Let's see if it clicks on AC and inverts. We don't have no power output yet, but it's showing 53.5 volts, 90% full.
I would show y'all
So now
that,
we got a fog alarm.
but I ain't going up there.
So I think that may be because I programmed it for no battery. So
Yeah, it was just solar yesterday.
let's go here and turn this to solar battery utility. And then let's go, I don't know what that is, charge voltage. Okay, so let's go down to 56. Charging at 50 amps. Charge current. Battery user, let's go back to lithium 16 cell. What that is. Can't see. You gotta put on 2 pair of glasses. Discharge. I don't get that. Tell them what we're doing. We're trying to do.
We're actually building some walls out here in the pole barn so that we can live over here. We're
building walls for the pole barn because we pole and we can't afford to pay nobody else to do it.
We did this when you're late last night off camera, and so we're doing this one today, and we only have a certain amount of wood, so we're not going to really get that far, but we just want to do a mock-up of how it's going to be, where everything's going to be, and see what changes we need to do, if any. So that's what we're doing today. I know some of y'all probably think we're getting ahead of the game, but yeah, we are. But we'll have the walls done when we get ready to resurface the concrete back there, get a concrete pour or concrete leveling back there to finish it out, and that's what we're doing.
Swapping up on purpose. We don't have the parts for the inverter, and we ain't got the money for the installation, so we've done pretty much all we can do over here for right now.
Yeah.
Okay, this board is twisted. Can you de-twist it? Because I can't.
I think it needs to go that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot more. Okay. It ain't working. Needs to be a lot more that way.
Let me go get a, what do you call it?
go bring it to me.
Oh, I was gonna do it down here,
No, leave it on this one.
but,
It may not. I don't know if I can get enough on it. Yeah. That'll work.
okay, what about this one?
That's pretty strong. Oh, it's done got two in it. This one needs some. This one's really.
Okay, you wanna get the string up?
Huh?
You wanna get the string up?
Yeah, we need to get string and we need to get our tar. Because once I get these two set and sort of straight on the floor with the tar under it, I'm gonna get a few anchors in it.
Okay.
Okay.